Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be responding to a comment in my comment section, a comment from More Revelation. Thank you for the question actually. Okay, so her question was, where did I get my music from? All my music I get them from YouTube. So I'll be showing you how to get your music from YouTube. You know, YouTube has this copyright something. You can't use any music that has copyright and all of that. So, and most times you can't be too careful. So instead, YouTube provided music you can use actually that is free from copyright. So I'll be showing us how to get that music from YouTube in case you don't know. And the music is actually much, and so many of them are interesting. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. Don't forget, your comment is very important. Thank you. So sit back and relax while I show you steps on how to open your YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. Using laptop is actually easier, but not everyone knows how to use a mobile phone to open that YouTube audio library. So there you can find so many songs you can use on your YouTube videos. Not just songs, they also have sound effects also you can use. So I'll be showing you the easiest way to do it, and you can actually save all of that on your phone. Then anytime you want to edit any of your videos and add music to it, you can just take from your phone to it instead of going back all the time. Anyhow you want to do it, no problem, but I'll be showing you how to do it. So now you go to YouTube and click on that your channel icon. Then you go to help and feedback. Click on help and feedback. Then you search for YouTube audio library, and then you search and wait for it to search. When it finishes searching, you're going to see something like this. Then you click on the first one, use music and sound effects from the audio library. You just click on that. When you click on it, it will take you to this other place, and then you're going to click on youtube.com stroke audio library. So that's what you click on, youtube.com stroke audio library. That's under number 2. So you click on it, then you wait for it to load. Then when it finishes loading, you're going to see something like this. Then all you need to do is click on continue to studio. Then also you still have to wait for it to load. So it will open the studio there on your mobile phone. So now when it's done loading, it's going to bring you down here. You're going to see the whole song. Like, this is the music, this is everything. So I'm going to play some for you to listen to. You have the normal music, you have sound effects, and you can also star anyone you like that maybe you don't want to save to your phone yet or so. So yeah, that's it. So they have so many music here, like so many. You can select anyone, and also you can just easily click download. You wait for it to download, then you move it to your phone. You move it to your file, save it to your file. As you can see, mine I have so many saved already because I've been doing this often, and I've been using musics from here on all of my videos. So yes, you can see I have many saved already on my phone. So this is where I get my music I use on my videos from, that is copyright free and safe. And also this is how you can get it through your mobile phone. It is a different ball game when it comes to laptop. That one is very easy, but through your phone, most people don't know they can actually do that. So this is just a video showing you how to do that with your phone. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so before I say bye, let me teach you how I save mine to my phone. I know you've seen it, you saw it on the video just now, but I don't know if you got what you saw. Well, the thing is, okay, you click on the particular music you want to download, you download it. After waiting for it to download, you now click on open file, then you save to your files. You can either save to your files or you save to your phone direct. That is what I do. I save to my file. Then I go to the app I use in editing. From the app I use in editing, I just export everything I've saved into the app. So let me just play some of my starred music for you. Okay, so I'm just going to play that one. Go and listen to the rest to yourself. Go and download the one you want to download. Go and save the one you want to save. Bye.